If you need to install our Chrome plugin first, click on the Add Edit Media button and the Retake Screenshot button. We'll prompt you to download the plugin to your browser. Once it's set up, you can use it to retake screenshots and bookmark pages that you can paste into your reports. In this example, I'm using the clipper to update the screenshot to a new version of the page, but you can also use it to remove cookies banners or ads that might have been picked up in the original screenshot. In the Edit view, click on the Add Edit menu and Retake Screenshot. Next, close any unwanted ads or pop-ups that appear, and when ready, click on the Take Screenshot button. We'll capture the page, and when it's finished, click on Save to update the screenshot in your report.